The groundwork for all happiness is good health. At Healing Hands Clinic, we strongly believe that superior healthcare stems from clinical expertise coupled with compassionate care. Healing Hands Clinic originated as a solitary clinic in 2008. Presently, our team comprises over 130 medical experts with over 30 branches across India. Renowned for expertise in treating conditions of the bottom, our surgical team is dedicated to meeting your healthcare needs with fervor and professionalism. Our meticulously tailored services aim to provide a holistic approach towards regaining health. Recognizing the significance of having a trusted healthcare provider, we spare no effort in ensuring seamless communication and reliable experiences. Our mission is to empower you to reclaim control over your health. Let's walk hand in hand towards a healthier future.